In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ArenaZ to MetaMask. This process allows you to access ArenaZ tokens and decentralized applications, or dApps, on the ArenaZ network. If you don't see the network listed by default in MetaMask, don't worry. You can easily add it manually by following a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, you need to open the MetaMask browser extension or the app on your device. If you're using a browser, look for the MetaMask icon in your toolbar. If you're on a mobile device, find the app on your home screen. Once you open it, you will see your wallet interface. This is where you can manage your cryptocurrencies and interact with different networks. It is essential to ensure you're logged into the correct account, as this will affect the tokens and networks you can access. Next, click the network drop-down at the top of the MetaMask interface. This drop-down shows the current network you are connected to. By default, it may display Ethereum mainnet or another network you previously selected. Clicking on this will bring up a list of available networks. This step is crucial because it allows you to change networks and access different functionalities, including those specific to ArenaZ. From there, select Add a Custom Network. This option allows you to input the specific details required to connect to the ArenaZ network. When you click on it, a form will appear where you can enter the network information. This is important because adding a custom network properly ensures that your MetaMask wallet communicates effectively with ArenaZ, enabling you to use its tokens and dApps without issues. Now, enter the official ArenaZ network details. You will need to provide the RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer URL. You can find these details in the ArenaZ documentation or Explorer. It is essential to use the official sources to avoid any errors. Accurate input ensures that your wallet connects to the right network, which is vital for accessing your tokens and dApps. After entering all the necessary information, click Save. This action will store the ArenaZ network in your MetaMask, allowing you to switch to it whenever needed. Once saved, you will see the ArenaZ network listed among your available networks. This makes sure your changes are saved and you can easily access the network whenever you need to. Next up, switch to the ArenaZ network. You can do this by returning to the network dropdown and selecting ArenaZ from the list. Switching networks is crucial as it determines which tokens and dApps are accessible in your wallet. Make sure you see ArenaZ as your active network, confirming that you are all set to start using ArenaZ tokens and dApps. If you also want to display ArenaZ tokens such as A2Z, LOCA, or DST in your wallet, click Import Tokens. This option will bring you to a new screen where you can add specific tokens to your wallet. Adding tokens is important because it allows you to track your balances and trade within the ArenaZ network effectively. Select the Custom Token tab. This is where you can enter the token's contract address. You can find this address on the official ArenaZ documentation or Token Explorer. Inputting the correct contract address ensures that you are adding the right token and prevents any confusion down the line. Once you enter the contract address, MetaMask should automatically detect the token symbol and decimals. This is a convenient feature that saves you time and minimizes the chance of errors. If everything looks correct, you can proceed to the next step confidently. Finally, click Add Custom Token, then Import Tokens. This action finalizes the addition of the ArenaZ tokens to your MetaMask wallet. You should now see your tokens listed, confirming their successful import. Remember, ArenaZ provides a one-click Add to MetaMask option for supported tokens, which can automatically populate the token information. Always verify details through official sources to ensure a smooth experience.